Hey, happy day to people. So today I'm gonna get into some SQL functions, actually window functions, that can be really helpful. So what I'm gonna get into is a function called lead. And what you can do with lead is if you have events that happen in order, you can actually see the next row or the next event based off your partition of data. And this can be helpful in a lot of different ways. You can use it as kind of a case statement to say if this happens after this row, do this then. You can look at time gaps or the difference in time between rows. I like to use it for some forecasting to help bolster my prediction based off of certain time windows. So there's a lot of different things that we can do with this. So let's jump in. I'm gonna get to it. So right now I have, let me kind of increase my screen so you can see this. So I have a simple query here. I'm using the Adventures Works database, and I'm just looking at the sales order detail table. And then I'm joining it to the product, so I can bring the product name here. But essentially, this table has order ID, and you can see there's repeating order ID, and then the order sales order detail. So I'm going to use this column right here in the row numbers to kind of use that lead function to look ahead within that order so that I can do some different types of functions or calculations on that. So let's get started with this. So I'm going to do lead, and then we're going to say the column that I want to look at. So I'm going to do the order quantity here. I'm going to look ahead one over a partition. Let's see, by the sales order ID, and then order by the sales order detail ID. Let's see, I'm doing something wrong here. Let me see, what am I doing wrong? Oh, partition by, that's what I'm missing there. And then I'll just say next value here. And let's see what we get. So we got next value. So now I'm gonna show you what this looks like now. Um, so what I'm doing with my lead, so I'm looking at this order quantity. I'm gonna look ahead one row. I'm partitioning my data by the sales order ID. So I'm grouping the sales order ID together, and then I'm ordering it by this sales order detail ID, and I'm just looking one row ahead. So this looks like it's working. So my next row is 3, it's bringing it back. My next row is 1, so it's bringing it back 1. So right here you'd get your 2 and so forth. And then once you get down to, where is it? Right here, you get none, or a null value, I mean, because there's no more in that order. So it's going to come back null there. But you could even put like a case statement in here. So case when this is greater than 1, then yes, else no, and then we can run that so we can have a case statement in there too. So you can start getting your logic built in with that lead or that the window function there. So really powerful. Can take some, I know like in my early days, I wouldn't use the lead function. I would do some like sub queries and it would just turn into a complex mess. This really saves you some time of those events in progress that are happening. You can use this to look ahead to different rows. So I hope you enjoyed this. It's Sunday today, so again, I hope you are having a blessed day today, everyone. Have a great day. Talk to you later.